Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can create a new Payoneer account. So at first go to Payoneer and then click on sign up and get $50, and then it's going to say individual or company. I'm going to put on individual, and then please put on all of your personal information. Make sure the first name and the last name is of the name in which your bank account is saved to. After filling them up, click on I'm not a robot and it's gonna give you something of verification, and when you're done, click on next. In the new page, it's gonna ask for your address and your phone number. I have blurred them out for privacy, but once you're done, please click on next. In the new page, it's going to ask you some security questions and answers. Feel free to put them however you want to and whatever you feel like is the best for you. Once you're done filling this page and you go to the next one, it's going to ask for the bank details, and I'm not going to show them, but when you put them and click on create a new account, it's automatically going to create the Payoneer account for you. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.